Hi, I am Nisha. I call, converse, and qualify leads so your team doesn't waste time on the wrong ones. I understand what buyers want, qualify them in real time, and pass only genuine leads to your pre-sales team. With every conversation, I learn, thanks to Trusted, our AI engine that listens, transcribes, and coaches me. Trusted AI breaks down every call, instantly highlighting keywords, buyer intent, and next steps. No need to sit through recordings. I can even send brochures, project details, and trigger CRM actions. While you focus on closing, I'm already helping 32 plus real estate brands run faster, leaner, and smarter. I'm Nisha, your AI calling partner. Let's talk smarter.
Absolute CX. You and made us one day.